Business credit and personal credit are not the same, and not knowing the difference could cost you opportunities, funding, and long-term growth. So let's break it down in a simple way. First, what is personal credit? Personal credit is tied directly to you, your social security number, your personal financial behavior. It's based on things like your payment history, your credit card usage, your loans, your overall debt. Your personal credit score is what lenders use to decide if you are trustworthy when it comes to borrowing money. This is what you use when you apply for things like personal credit cards, car loans, mortgages. Now here's the problem. Most entrepreneurs start their business using only their personal credit. That means if anything goes wrong in the business, it directly affects you. Now let's talk about business credit. Business credit is completely separate from your personal credit. It's tied to your business using your EIN, not your social security number. This allows your business to build its own financial identity. Business credit is based on your business payment history, vendor accounts, business credit cards, trade lines. When structured correctly, your business can qualify for funding without relying on your personal credit. Now, this is where things get powerful, because once your business has its own credit profile, you're no longer limited by your personal credit score. You can access higher funding limits, better financing options, more opportunities to scale. Now let's break down the key differences. Number one, liability. With personal credit, you are personally responsible for the debt. With business credit, your business is responsible. That separation is what protects you. Number two, capacity. Personal credit has limits based on your income and personal profile. Business credit can grow based on your business revenue and activity. That means more room to scale. Number three, risk. Using personal credit for business increases your personal risk. Building business credit reduces that risk by creating separation. Number four, credibility. A business with its own credit profile looks more established and trustworthy. Lenders, banks, and partners take you more seriously. Now here's what most people get wrong. They wait too long to build business credit. They run everything through their personal accounts. And then when they need funding, they either get denied or they're limited. Smart entrepreneurs do the opposite. They start building business credit early. They structure their business properly. They separate personal and business finances, and they position themselves for growth. So here's the real question you need to ask yourself. Are you building a business, or are you just creating another financial responsibility tied to your name? Because if everything is tied to you, your growth will always be limited. But when your business stands on its own, that's when real scaling begins. If this helped you understand the difference, do me a favor. Like this video, comment credit below so I know you're serious about building your business the right way, and subscribe for more content on business funding, credit, and growth strategies, because we're not just building businesses, we're building them the right way.